for my margarita.
I did.
Come on. Yeah, that's right.
Yo, Como Pawn, shut the fuck up. Go back to your own country. I think a woman should be in any public council.
Cancel him. What's your favorite pizza
I
topping?
do love a meat.
I bet you do.
It's my heist. And it's my birthday in March.
You know what's great in my margarita? It's ice. Lots of ice.
I got him. I got him. Okay.
Happy birthday!
I'll give you a hand job. Which hand?
What does it mean?
This is getting sabotaged. It's not even a question. You okay? Good thing I saw Louis dodge that before.
What the fuck? What's happening?
Non-consensual ghost! Help me! Help me! Someone win and get ready for action! You gotta let the area! Boy!
I'm trying!
He's gonna touch me inappropriately!
Oh god, it's still Cosme! Oh no, where did he go? Wait, Brian! Are you okay?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was nice. He was gentle.
Oh.
Like, comment, and subscribe!
Are you doing drugs?
Yeah.
Louis, that's not good.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Not drugs. EELOYNE.
It's right there in the top right, Pasta. It's right there in the top right. You can read it backwards. Stop it.
Don't come in! Oh, that made don't look bad.
What about two?
He knows drugs. This guy knows drugs.
Louis, are you doing drugs?
Yeah.
Louis, that's not good.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Not drugs.
You guys want to get high?
Hell yeah. Louis,
I'm doing drugs in the back of the truck. Whatever the fuck this thing is.
Why is Big Bird mad at me?
have you ever heard of fentanyl, Louis?
No. I heard of Tylenol.
Oh yeah. Tylenol's
Yeah,
good.
fentanyl works for headaches.
You want to get high?
Stop looking at me, angry owl.
Just say yes. Just say yes and move on.
Fine. I'll do drugs.
Yay!
What?
You want to buy some weed?
Yeah, how much you charging?
5?
5 what?
I don't know. It's just that many.
5 Laffy Taffies? What are we working with here? Alright, fine, hold on.
I eat your life.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
This guy knows drugs. Thanks to our
Louis,
Patreon members.
are you doing drugs?
It's Firefox.
Yeah.
And Chris
Louis, that's not good.
You como pan.
Yo como pan.
No, you como pan.
Yo como pan.
Speak English, monkey boy! Fucking Yo Como Pawn, shut the fuck up! Go back to your own country!
What's your favorite pizza topping?
Meat.
Just meat. Just meat.
Meat.
I'm a meat lover. I'm a meat lover myself. I do love a meat.
I bet you do. Stay low, stay frosty.
Oh, space burgers! That's so cool. Got meat.
I guess we have to protect, and who's gonna cook? Who wants to be the cook?
I think I'm gonna have to cook. The best way to kill aliens is when you're eating fucking pizza. Let me, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, there's somebody! Brian! would you get it?
Shut up.
Okay, so what do we have to do? Can you explain the... What the fuck? Whoa! What? We did it.
Oh, we gotta escape now. Okay.
Time to go.
Like, comment, and subscribe, mortals. Joining our Patreon for early videos and have your name in the credits.
Thanks to our Patreon members.
No, you come up. Sorry, what the hell was that noise?
I got scared. I was trying to rebuild the
It
thing.
sounded like someone picked the guinea pig or something.
No, I did so good. I did so good.
You actually
really good.
You actually did great.
I did so good.
For a woman.
Alright, I'm getting jugged.
I'm not gonna get your ass.
I need to get out of here.
I could probably fit over that. It boosts me over.
You can't fit over anything, you
Go.
fat bubblegum bowling ball.
You fat bubblegum bitch.
Bowling ball piece of... Get on my way.
Get up there, you fat bubblegum bitch.
Oh my god, it's middle school all over again.
Oh my god.
Like, comment, and
Sorry, what the
subscribe.
hell was that noise? Pasta has a gun.
I like it. I'm from the south. I should be holding the gun. Be careful! Hey, this works! I got it to work! Okay, it don't like that. Loser. You guys have to drive because you know what they say about women. We can't drive, so...
Yeah, so, alright, so apparently...
I like using internal misogyny to get out of doing tasks.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks to our Patreon member, it's Firefox.
My Evan, you're amazing. I'll give you a hand job. Which hand?
What doesn't matter, I don't want it.
left, choose left.
Which hand? Who asks that?
That's ever been asked.
What the
That
that
happened
about?
last time. That happened last
No,
time.
I just started playing!
Can we end this discussion? It's
No.
hurting me.
Nogla, what's your favorite color?
It's clean.
Shut up.
What's your favorite color?
Blello.
No, green.
Blello. It's blue and yellow. Blello. Tyler and Brian, well, this is going to be a disaster.
Tyler, why?
I don't think a woman should be in any public council.
Cancel him, drag him out.
She should be in a public kitchen, though. Active! This is getting satisfying. It's not even a question. I'm watching you, Tyler. Tyler!
Don't you have a spotlight on me?
He's clutching his pearls when he said that.
This is very important. You're representing women worldwide, okay? That they could be leaders.
Yeah.
The first female American president could be coming down to you, showcasing what women can do.
Yeah.
This is too much pressure.
Yeah.
I've had too much cut waters for this.
Cut water.
What? Oh, it's a drink. It's the margarita drink. Oh, I knew you were a
I'm
Republican pasta.
releasing a new alcohol. It's never been seen before. It's called a margarita.
You know what's great in my margarita? It's ice. Lots of ice. We love ice.
You ain't drinking none of my margarita.
Pasta's so fried.
Yep.
Like, comment, and subscribe, mortals. Joining our
just tried
Patreon for early
Can we
videos
end this
and have your name in the
discussion?
credits.
It's
Thanks to our
No.
Patreon members.
Nogla, what's your
Firefox and
favorite color?
Crusader.
Demolition takes care of the impound transport bus. Pilot collects them in the plane. Pasa?
I'm not doing the plane.
Yes, you are.
Why? I'm so bad at it.
It's my heist.
Oh.
And it's my birthday in March.
Yeah, that's right. That's
I was the only one, Brian, that wished you happy birthday out of the group.
I did.
Is that you, baby?
No. To be fair, Louis does. Louis nice. Everyone else, not a word.
Everyone here will wish you happy birthday.
Shut the
let's start
fuck up,
this.
Evan. Fuck off.
All right.
How do you do that?
We're sneaking into Brian's birthday party.
I regret mentioning that.
You gotta take. Wait, did you saw me?
No.
Did you call me?
I got him. Okay, okay. Hey, happy birthday. Alright, we're going in. Happy birthday to the ground. Where are you going? Did you just jump off?
Do you ever disassociate for like a good
Jesus!
I'll take that as a no. You ever have a chili cheese dog?
Oh, you f***ing scared me again.
Oh my god, I just want to ask you questions.
No, I've never had a chili cheese dog.
Like,
Demolition
comment and subscribe,
takes care of the
mortals.
impound
Joining our
transport
Patreon
bus.
for early
Pilot
videos.
collects them
Have your
in the
name
plane.
credits.
Pass up.
Thanks to our Patreon members, Firefox and Chris Adam.
Okay, everybody act natural. Act cool. Shut up! Okay, everyone act natural.
Oh, I like circle, war crimes, and spoon.
I like war crimes. Okay, everybody act natural. Act cool. Shut up! That's my energy these days. Things better go my way or I'm gonna cut someone's dick off. Who's volunteers? You're dickless, you're brainless, you're hopeless. It's gonna be dickless. Women's Day! Women's Day! Okay. There's a dead body in here!
That's normal. That's normal in LA.
This is sick. That was awesome. Was that legit stop motion animated like for us?
You doing drugs?
Yeah.
Louie, that's not good.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Not drugs. EELOYNE.
In the top right, Pasta. It's right there in the top right. Denji's kind of funny.
Don't come Oh, that made it look bad.
What about two?
He knows drugs. This guy knows drugs.
Louie, are you doing drugs?
Yeah.
Louie, that's not good.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Not drugs.
You guys want to get high?
Hell yeah. Louie,
Truck. Whatever the fuck this thing is.
Oh, that's hilarious that she's
Have you ever
Vanoss,
heard of-
because that's what everyone simps for in the anime.
Oh yeah. Tylenol's good.
Works for headaches.
You want to get high?
Stop looking at me, angry owl.
Say yes. Just say yes and
Yes,
move on.
fine. I'll do drugs.
Yay!
What?
We'll buy some
Yeah, how much you charging?
5.
5 what?
I don't know, it's just that many.
5 Laffy Taffies? What are we working with here? Alright, fine, hold on.
I speak your life.
This is really good.
These are a lot.
These are awesome.
This is a lot of work.
Yeah. I'm actually in shock. This is incredible.
That talent is incredibly fucking wasted.
I think you're doing it in the right space, but you should definitely be doing bigger stuff because you are good.
Yeah, you need to channel that skill into another realm. Don't waste it on Pasta. Sorry, Pasta.
What the fuck, dude?
Just don't. Just don't. Use it for something else.
Oh yeah, if it did it all about you, you'd be like, oh, you're in the right space.
Don't waste it on me either.
Like, comment, and subscribe, mortals. Joining our Patreon for early videos and have your name in the credits.
Thanks to our Patreon members, Firefox and Chris Adam.